Let's take a look at the beast with the wheels on. Now the window tint has been removed, obviously not on the back window, but on the 4 doors, and except the rear quarter glasses. But let's take a look. Still pretty dirty on the outside, does need a good clean. I think it looks way better with the window tint removed. Just looks way sharper without the window tint. You still see the tint there on the quarter glass. This one I'm not looking forward to. That is gonna suck, especially with the rear demister running through the window. Okay, now here's the driver's side. There's that ding knocked out. That come up really good. Really happy with that. Love the way it looks as well. And down here as well, that one's all knocked out. So I'm leaving that as is. No extra work for that. Still need to get the rear guard patched, but all in good time. I think the rims look really, really good. Suit the car perfectly. So much better without that rear tint. Well, the rear quarter glasses still need to be done. There's some little bits and pieces on the glass all around I still need to remove, but overall it's 95% done. Coming along together very nicely. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that quick walk around video, and yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll hopefully see you guys tuning in on the next one. See ya.